Here's how to fix not being able to hear a stream on Discord Mobile. Open the Discord app, tap the back icon in the top left corner, then tap your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Select the settings icon at bottom, scroll down a little bit, and open voice settings. Make sure your output volume is set to at least 50% or higher. Also, check that features like echo cancellation are enabled and set to the recommended option if available. Next, close Discord and open the App Store or Google Play Store to make sure you're using the latest version of the app. If an update is available, install it before opening Discord again. You should also close any apps running in the background that might be using your device's audio or microphone, as they can sometimes interfere with Discord. Finally, restart your phone to refresh the system and apply any changes. Once your device turns back on, reopen Discord and test the stream again. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the audio issue and let you hear streams normally. That's all for this video. Thanks.